Sometimes you might need a pick-me-up, a push in the right direction, some words that help put you back on track. This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your motivational moment.
Good morning and welcome to your motivational moment from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. My name is Chris Jaggs and I'm bringing you another moment of motivation. This week we have probably my favourite motivational speaker in the world at the moment, Kevin Hart. Now in this clip, you'll get an insight into the mindset of Kevin Hart and how the traumatic events throughout his life have shaped him and how he continues to stay positive.
I think with any level of success, you're gonna get negativity. The thing is how do you handle it? You can feed negativity with negative responses, or you can feed negativity with success. At the end of the day, if you continue to do what you do to the best of your ability, the people that are being negative have to evaluate themselves and go, instead of taking the time to be angry, maybe I just need to go and do what I'm supposed to do on my side.
I'm happy simply because I have no reason to be angry. Life is too short to be angry. So the things that I do feel a certain type of way about it that I may get upset about, I let it out. I get it out on stage and I allow other people to judge it and laugh at it. Mm-hmm. And the reason why you're laughing is because I'm being honest. And I think when people can relate to that honesty.
I think some of the best conversations that we've had have been the conversations that break down reality from false reality. In entertainment, you get hit with a false reality that this is your life and this is what it's going to be forever. Oh my God, you're famous and you make money forever. That's not the case. And if you're not a person that can understand that, you get caught up in the matrix. And when that goes away, you don't know what life is because you fell into the perception that life is this fake fictional presentation. And it's not. Life changes. There's ups and downs. Moments are great and then they're bad. And entertainment, that's what it is. So just because we're hot today does not mean we'll be hot tomorrow. But the smart people that are hot today prepare for the times when they may not be hot. And that's the best piece of advice that I can give her because I was there when I thought I would be hot forever. Things were taken. Money wasn't what it was. Broke, taxes, how? Then I got a second chance. I got a second chance, and that second chance became the best chance. And then I look up, and now, yes, you're looking at a guy that's putting himself in a position to become a mogul, a CEO, an enterprise. But I can only do it because of the knowledge that I have, because of what I didn't do before. I saw my dad in and out of jail. I saw my dad being addicted to drugs. I saw my brother sell drugs. I saw my mom find drugs and beat the out of my brother, and my brother be forced with an ultimatum of jail or the army, like pick one, and he chose the army, of course. I saw literally no high reward from the negative route. I saw that. I saw it firsthand. So when it was time for me to make decisions, the one person that I saw with any type of consistency was my mom. It's not that my mom was rich or not that my mom was successful and financially stable on a high level. My mom did what she had to do to make sure that we were taken care of. People take this for granted, and I don't care, whoever's listening, social media is powerful, man. You literally have an outlet that's free for you to do whatever it is that you want. I've built up to 40 million people through social media, through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Vine. I have a direct outlet. So when I say something, I get an immediate response. I want to be promoted internationally. Studios can't reach their demographic the way I can. So when I do it and I pull it up and then I show a studio, look, this is what my fans are saying. I'm in Germany. Oh, Kev, we waiting here for Australia. And I do this, a studio has to go, all right, look, or you risk the business of losing a Kevin Hart that can potentially bring you X, Y, and Z. And then another studio saying, all right, we want to work. We want to invest. So I don't think they're going to take that risk because they see that I'm passionate right now. I'm not the guy that's just selling wolf tickets. I'm the guy that's actually putting the work in the streets.
Life is too short, and I feel like everyone needs to live, love, and laugh and understand, you're constantly evolving. Things are constantly changing. Things are constantly putting people in a position where they can get better and do better. We're doing a lot better. A lot better. You're going to have bumps in the road. You're going to have things that happen that make you have a hiccup and question, are we doing better? But that's life. That's the course of life. But, you know, I'm a positive person. I'm a realistic and positive person. So I see where we are. I'm happy with where we are. And I know where we can be 5 or 10 years from now. It can continue to get better and grow.
They don't show the beautiful picture of Johannesburg on the media. They don't show a beautiful picture of Cape Town on the media. Durban, I've never seen anything beautiful about Durban. When people show things in the media, they're always shown in the negative light. So when something about Africa is talked about, it's normally bad, it's normally violent, it's normally something about the country or something that just happened where a disease broke, and it's never good. So your perception is what people have forced you to believe. So until you get the heart to go, I'm going, I want to see for myself, you don't know. So all I know is what the news says. So in my mind, I'm like, hey man, I'm not trying to go over there and get kidnapped. Okay? Like it's a reality. It's not me saying it to hypothetically say it. I'm saying from what I've seen. And then I go and I see an amazing city. We're blown away by seeing fans, by seeing people that are like, yo, we love your music. Why not show us that? You know, why not show the entertainers that love to give back, that love to embrace their fans, that love to be a part of charitable things? Why not show us the amazing stuff that's over here? So when we get here, we see for ourselves, and then our senses are enhanced to where not only do we want to come back, but we want to come back and we want to be involved with things that you have going on. But until we get the heart as artists and we spread that rumor ourselves, we don't know. And to be honest, we're a community. That's how I ended up coming over. I know Nicki. I know Beyonce. I know Jay-Z and all. I talked to them. Hey, guys, is there anything to worry about? Guys, should I get these shots? They told me to get the shots. Do I need the shots? It was the scariest thing in the world. I walked into a doctor's office, and the doctor, he was convincing me that he needed to give me the disease first. I'm going to give you this shot, put the disease in you, so when you get there, you'll be okay. I said, but I don't have it yet. He said, that's why I'm going to give it to you. So when you get it, you'll be okay. And I was like, but I don't have it yet. Why are you giving it to me? And this was a big thing for me. I'm not lying. Like, I literally called several people. When I called people, I had people track down people that were from Cape Town, from Johannesburg. And I talked to them. Hey, man, am I going to get bit by a mosquito and not be able to come back? Kevin, what are you talking about? You sound ignorant. No, you don't need nothing like that. It's the same. You're going to come over and you're going to be shocked. And I was like, I know, but they said I need shots. Do I need these shots? No, but I'm repeating what I've heard. I'm repeating what the media has forced me to believe. So now that I'm here, I'm like, this is ridiculous. I don't need I'm fine. It's a city. Like I feel like I'm in New York. I felt like I was in Malibu the other day. Like it's the same exact thing, and it's frustrating because it makes you guys, as the media, it makes me go to y'all and question y'all. You have the chance to put out the positive side of where you are and where you live.
You know, I think you do anything to maximize your potential in whatever realm you put yourself in. Within entertainment, there's so many doors that you can go through. I mean, you're literally looking at 15 to 20 doors. I saw myself going in a direction where I would be able to make people smile. And stand-up comedy is one thing that I knew that would be able to put me in that position. And stand-up comedy has taken me into a place that, you know, is amazing.
I love this.
I'm beyond confident. I'm not cocky, I'm so confident. I'm confident in who I am. I'm confident in the person that I am. I think I'm sexy. I tell my lady all the time, babe, I'm sexy. I just got 2 ugly toes. That's it. That's the only thing. I love me. And
you're sexy with your socks on.
Yeah, I don't take my socks off. I don't take them off, but I wear good socks. That's the plus. I don't believe in change. I don't believe in doing things to manufacture my body to appeal to what I think people might like. This is it. This is what I was given. This is my playing cards. If we was playing poker, I gotta make this hand work.
Yeah.
This is it for me. And this is what I'm gonna ride out. So how do you not embrace it? You get one life.
Yeah.
One. You get one life.
That video can be found on YouTube and it's called Prove Them Wrong, Kevin Hart Motivational Speech, and published by the Growth Factory YouTube channel. Now you can begin your own adventure to take your life to a high level by claiming your free 30-minute Learn, Develop, Live Power Call by going to ldlcall.com. And well, go find the perfect time slot for you. Now, whatever your issue is right now that you want to work through, what you want to work out on and eliminate. Low on confidence? Do you want to start a brand new job and have no idea where to begin? Whatever it is, jump at the call, let's have a talk, and we can get you on the right track. Please also leave your credit card locked up. This is no sales pitch, just a great conversation, brainstorming the best strategy to help you grow. Now that is all from me today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay motivated and keep inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with Chris Jaggs. He ain't no DJ, but he'll help remix your life.
Thanks for listening. You can find more motivational moments at learndeveloplive.com. And we'll be back to inspire you again tomorrow.